Cephable professional users can use Cephable's Translate Text feature within intelligent tasks in order to translate text anywhere you could otherwise type or write with your keyboard. You can translate between spoken languages and text, for example, highlighting text in English and then asking Cephable to translate it to Spanish. You can also translate across any of the different supported languages. There's 24 different languages that Cephable's translation supports. You can also use voice commands in order to tell Cephable to translate something. Simply highlight the text and say translate and the language you want to translate to. You can also use it to translate between programming languages. Take something that's written in C++ and ask Cephable to translate it into Python and so on. To get started, all you need is the text that you want translated and where you want it typed up to be translated to. In the panel, you can go over to the Translate Text feature within the Intelligent Tasks, and you'd be able to select whether you want to use the highlighted text and then type in the language you want to translate it into, or you can also paste existing text that you'd have and then the language you want to translate it to, and Cephable will type the new translated text wherever your cursor is. Let's look at a few examples of this in action. In this example, I have a new email open, and I have a template with a quick action button in order to create a template for some of my outreach as an insurance agent. So I can go ahead and click it, and Cephable will take that text for me. And then we're going to translate that text directly in my Outlook window here. Now that Cephable has typed it, I can go ahead and highlight all the text, come back over to my panel, and then tell Cephable that I want to use the highlighted text. And let's say we want to translate it into Spanish. I'm going to type Spanish, click Generate. Cephable will go right back over into the Outlook window and start typing the translated version directly over where the English version was written. I can also take entire documents and translate them too. Let's say, for example, I have this risk assessment report and I need it translated into Japanese for my Japanese clients. I'll go ahead and select all. And I can also use a voice command here. So I'll turn on the microphone. Then I can use the translate command. Translate this to Japanese. Cephable's translation feature always runs entirely offline on your device. This means that you can safely provide it sensitive information that you need to translate without worrying about it being used in other models or being sent over the cloud to some other environment that might not be owned by you. It never leaves your own laptop wherever you're running your translation task from. It also works in any application that you're otherwise typing into. Let us know what you'd like to translate and how it goes.